It's time to start thinking about Halloween. So let's look at a fun way that we can create a quick, easy, fun Halloween decoration. I've got a cute little pumpkin here, and I love this vase. It was a present from a friend, and I love that. It's a check glass vase, and it's orange, and it's got almost like a little snake that wraps around it. So that's pretty cute, right? And so you'll notice what I have in here is I have some black foliage along with 3 orange zinnias. The typical beautiful colors that we choose for Halloween are orange and black. Obviously, we can also do purple and lime green and orange too. That's very popular today too. But I like the traditional black and orange. And so I wanted to show you a cool way to do that. Now, obviously, we could get paint out and we could paint our foliage with flat black paint or maybe the ink from Design Master in the Ubermat, something like that. But again, the problem with that is that we've got to find the foliage, we've got to spray it, we've got to take time to do that, and there's a much better solution. In this vase is a bunch called Just Add Flowers, and it's made by our friends at FernTrust. And my friend Jana there, if you want to contact her, Jana at FernTrust, FernTrust.com, and ask her about this. It's a simple little bouquet that comes with a piece of Ming, a piece of Ruscus, and some black and beargrass. And they've painted it using their patented Color Fresh technique that is perfect. It makes the foliage last longer. It prevents shedding. It's really awesome. And so what I did was I just grabbed my Just Add Flowers bunch, dropped it down into this vase, added 3 zinnias, and I'm ready to go. Cute little pumpkin as an accent. So I wanted to show you how easy it is to do this today. And so what we're going to do is we're going to set this little guy over here for half a sec, and we're going to make a bouquet using the Halloween colored bouquets that they have from FernTrust. And this is what they look like. They come in a little sleeve like this. They have their American Grown logo on it. And it's a bunch like this. This is a bigger size that they have. And this one actually is all black, but it has some gray, dove gray plumosa in here. And I love that because it gives it even more texture and a little bit of color. Having that gray go in with the black really does look Halloween. And so what we do is we take that out of the bunch. And in this bunch, you're going to see that there is tree fern, there's Ming fern, there is plumosa, there's ruscus, and there's beargrass. And so I have my vase here. Again, my vase is filled with cold water, and I have added my Chrysal Professional 3 in that water too, so that it's going to make it last longer. So now this bundle comes like this, and see, look, it's got the stem on it, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut that off, and I drop it down in my vase, and I'm going to give it a little fluff, okay? And that's pretty fun because look at, now I've got an arrangement and it's all set to go. You know, one of the things that we talk about so much is structure and creating structure with our arrangements. And having structure in the vase allows us to place flowers in very easily. So now I'm ready to place anything in there. I could place fresh flowers in there. I could also place permanent flowers in there if I wanted to. Today we're going to use fresh flowers because I had some beautiful flowers out in the garden. And so I'm going to stand up as I typically do to arrange this because I can't arrange sitting down. Dropping that fabulous foliage bouquet down inside this vase is about all I can do sitting down, all right? So now, look at that. Just look at how pretty that is. And maybe you just want to do all black. That could be great too. You could do that. But what I did was I went out into the garden and I picked some of the orange flowers. We're supposed to get rain tonight, and we're supposed to start getting colder temperatures, so my garden's just about going to be done. But I have some zinnias. I have some marigolds. I love marigolds. Day of the Dead coming up, and the fragrance of the marigolds is just incredible. I've got some zinnias that look like this, and I've got some dahlias that look like that, okay? And those are going to be super easy because then it's just adding flowers to the structure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pretty little marigolds because they're going to be great right down here in front. They're kind of short, but I still love that about them because they can be the focal area down there in the front like that. Perfect, right? Then we'll add our dahlias. And I have different size dahlias like this. And what I'm doing is I'm just removing any of that foliage that's going to fall below the water line. We'll give it a cut with our Dram tools, and then we're going to add it right into our bouquet. And again, that structure here is just providing such a great way for me to add flowers. Now look at, I have some orange zinnias and I have some peach zinnias. So see how they're kind of different colors? So I put that peach one toward the center. See? And then I'll add my orange ones over to the side. But look at how fun that is. It's just coming together right away because I'm using that structure of foliage to add my flowers. And those are going to help it sit in different spots. Now, I like the way that I have the contrast of the foliage with the contrast of the green foliage on my flowers with the black foliage for this. It makes it look super special and super scary for Halloween, right? I mean, what's better than having fresh flowers around for Halloween? I think this is a beautiful way to do so. Now, I made this as a one-sided bouquet. It certainly, most of my flowers are facing that direction. Not a lot on the back side. So I might set this on a counter or something like that. I could add my little pumpkin here, and I could bring in my other little flower vase like that. And we have a great little setup that would work really nice for the holiday. That's so fun. Here, I'm going to set these guys over here. And it's just a fast, easy way for us to create flowers for Halloween. And if you wanted to, you could go pick up some other things at the craft store or something. If you wanted to add ribbon around the bottom of it, if you wanted to stick a couple skulls in it, if you wanted to have more pumpkins to sit out here, you can do all sorts of different things. Because Halloween's a great time for us to do fun things. It's a quick holiday. And so I love that this fabulous foliage bouquet from FernTrust that's Halloween based with our black and gray foliage makes it easy to create an arrangement fast and easy. I want you to feel comfortable with flowers. I want you to enjoy the process. Here's a quick recap. We used our nippers, our bypass cutter, and our compact pruner from our friends at Dram. We placed it into our vase that has ice cold water and our Chrysal Professional 3 nutrient down inside. We cut and dropped our fabulous foliage bouquet from FernTrust that's all black and gray into the vase. And then I added my marigolds, zinnias, and dahlias, orange flowers to make a wonderful holiday. If I wanted to do it smaller, I did the Bud Vase over there. So you get the Bud Vase too. Fast and easy Halloween. So time to get spooky, time to enjoy our flowers, right? And I hope you had a good time. Enjoy. I'll talk to you next time. Until then, keep having fun with flowers.